So what you see here is 6 hours worth of work, and I'm still not done. I have to put this back because I put it in the first time around and it was installed properly. This was there, this was here, and then he came back and said I have no audio. Well, that's weird. That's why I replaced the straightie from the beginning. Let me show you what I took out. I took out a factory navigation to put that wonderful radio in. Now, what you don't see here was an amplifier that used to be there. That got ripped out as well. And we had no audio because these guys were touching. See how I put a little piece of Velcro right here? So these don't touch this metal here. Now I'm going to show you what I found out even more about what happened. You see this right there? It's bent downward. So what was happening was this speaker was touching this and grounding out. That's a big no-no. That's where the radio says, hey man, I bent that side too. And I bent this side because wonderful Honda likes to have oblong speakers. You see that right there? I did this originally to keep it from touching this metal. I said, you know what? We'll just make sure. Came back again. I didn't notice it. And now this had to be bent downward. Same on that side. I bent these down so these don't touch the actual speaker. So let's see. See I bent that downward? Yeah, I could have cut it, but why? So much easier with just a piece of some pliers. I grabbed it downward. Now this doesn't touch anymore. So now this came back on, and now we have to go back in the front. So then I pulled this speaker out and saw that this wire was only connected and this puppy was touching ground. It was just sitting here all by itself, hitting ground, which was shutting down this radio and the radio in the back you saw in the trunk. So now we have audio and you can hear, but we don't want no copyright. So that's what it was. First there was speakers in the back, you saw, then the speaker, and I made sure that one was fine too. So you can't have a speaker ground out because it will turn the radio off, and the radio is doing its job. It's protecting itself. Just like I'm protecting you, spending 6.5 hours as he smiles. I don't want to put him on camera because I feel like punching him in the face. Half his fault, and then the other half was not his fault. So we're gonna put everything back, and you're gonna put everything back. I'm just showing you how to troubleshoot, and that's what it was. No audio in a Honda, or any car for that matter. You can't have a speaker grounding out. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share. I certainly don't like it at all. Thanks for watching.